Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the GMAT while working. First, assess your current GMAT knowledge and set a realistic target score. Then, create a detailed study schedule that fits around your work commitments, ensuring you allocate consistent time each day. Prioritize focused study sessions over long, infrequent ones to maximize retention and progress. To study effectively, use official GMAT materials and take practice tests regularly. Focus on truly understanding the underlying concepts rather than just memorizing solutions. After each practice session, thoroughly review all incorrect answers to pinpoint your weaknesses and learn from your mistakes. This targeted approach will significantly improve your scores. Maintaining motivation and well-being is crucial. Schedule regular, short breaks to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Consider joining study groups or online communities for support and shared insights. Most importantly, prioritize adequate sleep and nutritious meals. These are essential for optimal cognitive function and sustained energy during your GMAT preparation. As test day approaches, take several full-length practice tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Use these to refine your test-taking strategies, improve your pacing, and build stamina. On test day, trust your preparation and stay calm. Remember to check the description for helpful resources and other great deals, like the Owala water bottle, to keep you hydrated during your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.